Hey man, this is such a cool deal. I'm here at Reunion Ranch representing Heroes Night Out. And we've got just such a great thing for veterans and first responders. I wish you could be here, and I hope that you can get out here before it's over. We're here until 4 o'clock. We do this once a year, the weekend of Memorial Day, weekend that Saturday. Today, I happen to be given the privilege to announce, be the MC for everything. Got a lot going on, but the bottom line is it's all about you who've defended us, you that come to the fire and rescue us when we've got a need. Thank you again so much. I'm proud to be here. And just invite you to come out whenever you get the opportunity. For more information, you can check out heroesnightout.org. Heroes, H-E-R-O-E-S, Heroes Night Out. We'll talk to you soon.
And how many people you expect this year?
4,000 people here.
And this started back in what year?
2008.
2008. And how many people did we cook for the first year?
98.
98. There you go. Hey guys, thank you. Judy and Wes Pierce, man. Heroes Night Out.
Tie-dye shirt. That's the founder of Heroes Night Out, Judy Pierce. But if we could give it up for them, our first after-action review meeting is at 5:30 tonight for next year. That's how we did it last year. And these guys worked tirelessly to make this happen for y'all, so give it up for them.
The national anthem of the United States of America.
This is Judge Bill Gravell from Williamsom County, Texas, and I just want to say a special shout out and a special thank you to Heroes Night Out and the hard work that they do, not only for the men and women of Williamson County, but for those that have served our nation faithfully. It's because of groups like Heroes Night Out that we're able to take care of those who have taken care of us. God bless you, God bless Williamson County, and God bless the United States of America.
They're fantastic. And Julie and Carmen, all of them, they do everything they can for you. If they can, it's within reach, they'll do it for you.
Thank you.
What we do is we bridge the gap for veterans that are trying to get into the VA system or they've been denied by the VA.
So if a veteran's in need of any kind of medical care, you guys are there to go through the process and help them with it, correct?
We don't give out none information, we follow all the HIPAA laws and everything like that.
It's very simple. Just go to the website, veteranscollective.us, fill out a form, and someone will get back with you within 24 to 48 hours and set you up with a protect.
I would like to thank everybody participating in this wonderful event. The football team has been fantastic. Had a good night with them. It's great to see all these folks come out with their kids and smile, having a good time, and it's just an honor to be able to thank all these heroes for what they did for this country and what they continue to do for this country, even though they're no longer necessarily active. So God bless everybody. We're glad y'all are here. Have a good day.